To build custom shelves, first use a stud finder to locate and mark the stud locations. Then, mark your shelf heights by measuring up from the floor, and extend the marks using a level to draw a reference line for the bottom edge of the shelves. Then use the level to transfer the stud locations to the reference lines. Now it's time to make brackets. Start by cutting the two straight pieces with either a handsaw or electric circular saw. Then, dry fit the pieces using a square as a guide, and measure from end to end to get the overall length of the angled piece. Now transfer the length, draw the 45-degree angles, and cut, again using an electric circular saw or handsaw. To assemble, fasten the straight pieces with 2 screws. Then fasten the angled piece with a screw into each end. To install, pre-drill and start 2 screws, and line the bracket up with a reference line and plumb it. Then, with the fasteners in line with the stud, drive screws until firmly seated. To complete, continue to install brackets, place and center shelves, and fasten with 4 screws per shelf.